Hi guys, in this short video I wanna show you how to use Facebook Marketing API in a very fast way and really simple. So what we do is we go to developersfacebook.com and create an app. We choose Manage Business Integration. Here we fill our app details, our email. I select the purpose, then I press Create App. Complete the security check, then I get inside it. So we'll need basically just a few details. So the first one is app ID. I'll make it in the notepad. So also we wanna connect Facebook Marketing API. We press setup, go to settings. We associate it with some business manager. So it's important to know that the business manager that you use should contain the account that you wanna retrieve data from. So that's important. Also, another thing you should know is that we need token. For getting token, you go to tools, and here, obviously those permissions they're responsible for every different function. So ads read allows you to get the structure of your ads of your campaign. Read insights allow you to get the results of the performance of your ads, and ads management allows you to manage ads obviously. So you should choose the permissions that you wanna have in the future. Also, we go to basic settings of the whole app, not just product, and we get our app secret. So now we have everything what we need. We save this app secret somewhere, like in this note I do, and also I got the Facebook ad account ID. So right now we can pull our data. First we need to import the Facebook Ads API plugin. So from Facebook business.api we import Facebook Ads API module, and the same goes for Facebook business.api dot add object dot add account. We import that account. Now what we need to do, we need to set our data, our credentials. So app ID is, so we pass them as strings, token, secret, and Facebook account. For passing Facebook account, make sure to add a ACT before the account ID. So we have all of this data. Now we need to initialize the Facebook Ads API. That's really simple. So as Facebook Ads API.init, and here we pass our token as access token, which equals token. Also we pass API version in order to avoid using the outdated one. So for the moment when I record this video, the recent one is 8th API version. We need to pass the fields which we want to retrieve. So we can use, let's use spend, clicks, impressions. Let's use this basic setup, and also what you should pass is parameters. We set it as params, and we pass like date preset, the date period of which we want to retrieve our Facebook data. Let it be last 7D, which means it stands for last 7 days. And also we select the account. Let's select the account level. So for the level, so we select the account level, and let's select the time increment, which is 1, which means that we parse our data day by day. So now we need to retrieve the data. It means add account, we pass account ID, and also dot get insights. We open parentheses and pass fields as fields, params as params. We close parentheses, and also let's print our results. Let's see. Aha. Looks like I used the wrong account, which had no data. Let's try this one. And yeah, so as we can see, we have our data broken down by days. So 11th of October and 12th of October, we can see the impressions spent. So that's it. Thank you for your attention, guys. We retrieved our first data. In the next videos, I'll show you how to work with this data. Thank you.